Hello, nappers. And this is the continuation of what I've left. And right now I got the Finland, which is I'm very happy. But I have a problem. I have a border with the Norway. As you all know, Germany is gonna invade the Norway. So another problem again. Okay. Right now, all of my troops from Finland, I move it in the Poland right now, and can I declare Germany right now? Can I declare on Germany early? Wait, I'ma try to do it. I don't think I can do that. I can't even justify because I have an aggression pact with Hitler nations. I didn't swallow them because it's a hassle to have a large front against the Germans. So yeah, right now I actually have a lot of tank divisions right now, which is pretty good. Yeah, he's doing his own thing right now. God damn it. And I actually have 100 divisions on the Eastern Front. I don't know if that's good, but all I know is I need to have a lot of tanks against Hitler. Division 10, the Red Army, max organization. Penalties, out of supply, reliability. I think I need to do some infrastructure in there, right? Probably. What's happening in my Eastern Front? My Eastern Front is actually kinda good. Oh yeah, I actually don't have a single thing that can defeat this. Should I get someone? Wow! Wow! I have 41 infantry divisions. Wow! Where did that come from? Damn. You know what? I'm okay with it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9. This is gonna be your front, guys. Yoink. Nice. I have over a lot of divisions right now. What focus tree are you doing right now? Unknown focus. Our intel is too low. Wait. How do I spy on enemy? I can justify my war goal against them. Am I ready yet? No. I don't have a lot of tank division, so I'm not ready yet. Wow. That is a lot of divisions. Wow. Enemy aircraft that many. Am I dead? I would like you guys to go in here. Yep. Just to protect this thing. Thank you. Oh, here it is. They're now going after Yugoslavia. My four Slovak country. Yeah, I think they're Slovakian people, I believe. Actually, after this, will the Germany stockpile its military to my border, or still has some things to do? I'm not very well known. I'm scared. Some of my divisions is still not well organized. I'm scared. I'm scared. What? India's been capitulated? What? I have a lot of questions. Why is India is now part of the Germany? All right. In here, air superiority. In here, air superiority. In here. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Why do I only have 3 divisions, 4 divisions in here? Only a couple of divisions in here. What is happening? What is happening? I am panicking. I am slowly panicking. Why is there only 2 divisions in here? Bro, what is happening? Why is there only a couple of divisions in here? I don't know what the AI is. doing? Oh my god, the time must come, the time must come. Everything. I'm being attacked from everywhere. Yes, Latvia, join the war, Latvia. Yes. They're breaking through everywhere, brother. I don't like it. They're breaking through everywhere. I just don't like it. And I'm getting encircled. Nice. Actually, nothing is happening in here. I don't know why. Just go in here if you're not gonna do anything in there. Bro. Just go in here. If nothing's happening. Nothing's happening in Romania. All is happening is in the German. In the Poland. Oh, all of my infantry is getting encircled with... Nice. Nice. Everything's getting encircled. All of my divisions is dying. It's not really good. No, it's not good. They just broke through my defenses. And yes, a lot of divisions got encircled in here, which is freaking nice. Go in there, push there. That's a lot of divisions, bro. That is a lot of divisions. I don't know anymore. I don't know anymore. Oh, I'm getting pushed back from here, really. How about the China? China is not doing anything, right? Yeah, China is not doing anything, which is nice. That is indeed a lot of divisions that got encircled. That is probably 30 or 40 divisions. I don't know. Damn! That's 40 divisions that vanish, bro. Damn! I'm getting destroyed. I'm getting destroyed. Oh, that's why. Romania just only joined a war a couple of months. Well, a month later, actually. It's just so hard, bro. It's just so hard. Oh, Japan actually didn't try to invade me. Really. Okay. I guess that's all for today. Thank you guys for watching. As of right now, I'm watching The Inevitable, and I cannot do anything. And yeah, that's all, and goodbye. Thank you.